In this video, we are going to learn about the concept of cloud computing. So, cloud computing is a delivery of computing services such as storage, server, database, networking, software, and more over the internet instead of using the local computers or personal servers. The key idea is rather than owning and maintaining physical data centers or servers, companies and individuals can rent computing resources from the cloud providers like AWS, Azure, or GCP. So it also your helps you lower your operating cost, run your infra more efficiently, and scale as per the business needs. Coming to the benefits of cloud computing, it is cost efficient, no need for heavy upfront investment in hardware, and it is scalable, easily increase or decrease the resources based on the demand. Accessible, it is accessible over the internet. All your applications is accessible via anywhere within the internet. Reliable, it is it is high uptime and data backups with global server infrastructure, and it is also secure. We have three types of cloud computing: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Public cloud shared services offered over the internet and shared among multiple users. Private cloud, it is used by a single organization, often hosted on premises or by a dedicated vendor. And hybrid cloud, it is a combination of both public and private clouds to allow data and apps to be shared between them. We have example of public cloud is AWS, Azure. Private cloud, it is used by a single organization. So that is we have an example for this OpenStack. And hybrid cloud is a combination of both public and private cloud. And types of cloud services, we have three types of cloud services: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. IaaS, the full form is infra as a service. For PaaS, full form is platform as a service, and SaaS, full form is software as a service. For IaaS, it provides virtualized computing resources over the internet. Example: AWS EC2 and Azure VM. PaaS, it provides a platform to develop, run, and manage application without managing the infrastructure. That is like we can build, test, and run the application instead of worrying about the entire infra. For example, we have in Azure web app, where we can develop the applications and then we can run on top of web app. SaaS, it delivers software applications over the internet. For example, only all the end users can access the software. That is Gmail, Microsoft 365, where the users can access the softwares directly. And here we have the difference between on-premise, IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS components that we are going to manage, and also the providers going to manage. For on-premises, we are going to manage application, data, runtime, middleware, OS, virtualization, server, storage, networking. All the components that we are only going to manage, because it is hosted on premise. Like we will be taking care of the hardware, whatever the requirement that we need, we have to go and buy and get it fixed, or if any issues there from the servers or storage or networking, that we are going to manage. In IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, for IaaS, application, data, runtime, middleware, OS, till OS we will be going to manage. Virtualization, server, storage, networking, that providers are going to manage. For PaaS, applications and data, only application and data we are going to manage. Everything else providers are going to manage. Provider means like Azure or AWS. They are going to take care of it. For SaaS, all the components that are managed by providers. only we are going to use it. We are not going to touch any of the infra side. And also we have the use cases of cloud computing. So the use cases are like we can host websites and applications, and then we can access from cloud. And also we have data backup and disaster recovery options.